Hi, I'm Bhakti Chugani of the Futurist, and today here we are at the House of Rose new flagship store at Ballard Estate. And I would really like you to come and have a look inside in this new luxurious space for jewelry and watches. So this is the beautiful House of Rose. Nice feeling to the entrance. It's really open and gives a very comfortable feel, and it's a very understated luxury.
So, what I really like about this particular space, which is the Rose jewelry space, is the way the vision merchandising has been done. The use of props, the way they've used layerings, and they've used the brand colors integrated into the jewelry props. And I really love the fact that this particular piece here, it actually looks like it's floating
Yes.
on top of this.
Yes.
So that's very meticulously, very careful attention to detail has been given. Like you can see that. So the whole balance and composition from a VM perspective, the props, the jewelry, the background,
Yes.
everything is just, it's stunning.
Yes, it's really well done. I really like the display.
So one of the features that really stands out is the use of the play on depth rather, and also the use of lines. It immediately breaks the monotony of just pastels, and adds some more dynamism to like the interiors. So we're in the Chopard space, and it's really classy. I have to add. What do you think?
Yeah, I think
Bhakti?
it's gorgeous. It's really nice. And I think this has really done justice to the brand because the brand is known for both their watches and the jewelry, and both have enough space.
Even the attention to detail, like if you look at the way the jewelry has been displayed, chains are all absolutely meticulous in the way they are being displayed. There's no curves, nothing. It's all straight. So we can see how much attention is being given to details in the
Right.
display,
Yeah.
and also the height elevations, right? Like the
Yes.
levels of the podiums,
Yes.
and also the backdrop, the way way texture has been mixed.
Yeah.
So the color of the backdrop with the two textures in the front. What do you think?
Right. I think it's really very clean and clear, and you can actually see everything very nicely.
So I'm sure this entire niche out here also has a beautiful story behind it.
Yeah, as far as I know, I think this has been inspired by the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, which is also one of the seven wonders of the world.